Relocating, whether local or international, can be stressful. From packing to moving and everything in between, it feels like there's always something going wrong. But what if there was a way to say goodbye to the hassle? Welcome to Baxter Shipping, your one-stop solution for stress-free relocation. From packing to transportation, we handle every detail so you don't have to. Enjoy live tracking of your belongings. Expert packing and unpacking and handyman services for furniture assembly. And safe storage solutions. Whether you're moving across town or across the globe, Baxter Shipping is here to take the stress out of your move. Baxter Shipping, moving made easy. Find more about us at www.baxtershipping.com.